Hey, welcome to the show. If you're looking for an affordable hearing aid, check this out. This is from ELEHEAR Beyond Pro, and this is the case that it looks like, what you're going to get. It's a rechargeable case, so all you have to do is charge it with the USB-C cord, and then when you get this, you can open it up, and then these are in there by magnet, so it's not going to fall out right here. They will also give you some different types of tools that you can help with cleaning, a little brush right here, and different size domes. The domes are these rubber pieces right here that fit into your ear. So they have some different size ones there. So this is, it's lightweight. All right, a little more detail on this. They are enhanced AI noise reduction and feedback control, immersive sound for music and speech. They have Bluetooth streaming and real-time AI translation, personalized sound and tinnitus relief in one app. And once they are charged, they can run up to 20 hours on that charge. So that's awesome. All right, here's a little closer look of the hearing aids in its case. Again, all you have to do is open them up, and then they're attached in there with a magnet so they're not going to fall out. Here is the dome right here. They will have the different size domes that you can use. And then you have your receiver wire. And then the battery is built inside here. Here you have the on and off switch. Here's what the back looks like. They're very light. Right now I'm holding it. It's very light. So we'll go ahead and put this one in here and show you the other one. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this show. Make sure you check out their website for more description and details on these hearing aids. Again, if you're looking for an affordable hearing aid, I would definitely check out the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.